this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and it is December 3rd. We are starting today with Charlie's Nail Art Event Calendar. So I'm going to get this box. We are going to get our number 3. We will open it together. See what we got today. The excitement. Oh, how beautiful. Very beautiful. This is a fine gold glitter mix. See, that is just gorgeous. Whoops. Dark gold, fine metallic glitter. So it looks like we're going to be glittering out a nail here today. Looky, looky, looky. It was just like gold playing with, you know, a powdery, which it is a powdery gold, but you know what I mean. I could just sit here and play with this all day. Hope everyone is having a good December so far. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Just changing my stiletto into a coffin nail. I'm going to put a coat of polish on, or a base coat, and we'll everything, and then I'll be back. Just let me get set up. Alrighty, we are back. I am going to take some, here's our glitter, some wood gel by She Modern. I'm going to take this diagonally across the nail. And down. Make sure that's coated good. We'll pop it in the lamp for a cure. We're going to be doing half the nail gold. And then I'm going to take this Beetles red, which is number 448. This is really, really pretty. It's a Christmas red as far as I'm concerned. So we're going to be doing half the nail gold, half the nail red. And again, this is called Dark Gold by Charlie's Nail Art Supply. charliesnailart.co.uk. I am a brand ambassador. My code is NailedIt10, all in caps. So check that out. Use it. You can save yourself some coin at Christmas time. There's nothing wrong with that. Get yourself some good, you know, some goodies. You could buy for somebody else. They make great, great gifts. They even have gift cards. So check out Charlie's and all your Christmas nail art supplies. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pour this over the nail. This is just a beautiful, beautiful gold. This is so pretty. Alright. Tap this off. I'm going to stick this in the lamp. Let it get like a little cure going on in a way. It's something I do with glitter and pigments so that in my mind it adheres it better into the glue. So we're going to give that a few seconds more. We have got some glitter. Okay. I am going to brush this off. Normally I don't. But we have a we're supposed to have had a diagonal line here. So see if I can get one going on. Just want one tissue. Okay. We're just going to slowly take a little bit of this off. That way we can add our, we'll put a black line. In the red polish. So I'm going to be re-curing this. I'll be putting another coat on, so we will wait for that to cure. I have got some gems here off to the side that I may or may not add. I'm not really certain yet. But I got them out just in case. I'm going to give the lamp just a few seconds longer. I can't remember if I've already asked you or not, so please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all. Go check out Charlie's. We've got a lot of ladies doing the advent calendar. Ooh, the advent calendar this month, so check out their videos. I know Pumpkin's doing one. Tammy's Manny should have one on. Karina has one going. Gonna stick this back in for a cure. And we will be right back. Alright, we are back out of the lamp. I am going to get my detail brush and some black polish. And hopefully draw a line. I need a palette. I need a palette. Alrighty, here we go. Load up my brush. There we go. Clean your brush. I'm going to stick this in for a flash cure. And we will be adding some gems. Some gems, some crystals, whichever you want to call them. That's what we're going to do. Not the bow. Not the bow. The bow's just there for another mani that I may or may not do. Alright. We are going to get the top coat. I'm going to use Beetles Top It Off. So if we don't contaminate here, where'd my tissue go? If you're using glitter, have, you know, a lip tree wipe, something nearby where you can Wipe your brush off so you are not contaminating your polish, your top coat. Alright, let me get my wax paper wrapper. And assembling. Okay, I'm going to put this in for a cure before they move. Whoops. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. Here is our, look how beautiful that is. That is very pretty for Christmas time. This is using dark gold, a very fine mix by Charlie's. Very smooth, you don't feel nothing. Very beautiful. Check out Charlie's, subscribe to my channel, click the bell and click all. Stay tuned for next time. Well, actually, stay tuned for tomorrow for our next advent calendar and 12 days of Christmas. Thank you and have a blessed day.